Hello and welcome to the EVS class, children. Today we shall see the question answers of the chapter number 5 at school. So be ready with your course book, notebook and your pencil box. Let's solve the questions. Children, we are on page number 27. Let us mark CW and put today's date. Today's date is 4th September. First question, fill in the blank. Many children go to school to? Yes. Why do we go to school? We go to school to study. Yes. STUDY. Study. Second, fill in the blank. In the school, in school, we learn all about the? Yes. हमें दुनिया के बारे में, बहुत दुनिया के बारे में या दुनिया में जो हो रहा है उसके बारे में पता चलता है. So दुनिया means world. We get to know about the different things happening around us in the world. Third, fill in the blank. Mrs. Roy is the dash of Sonia's school. Yes, we have read the chapter, children. Who is Mrs. Roy? Mrs. Roy is principal of Sonia's school. So, let's write the spelling carefully. Principal. Principal. Next is, fourth fill in the blank. Our dash teach us lessons. Who teaches you, children? Yes, teacher teaches us our lessons. So, our teacher teaches us. Fifth fill in the blank. On dash and dash, the principal hoists the national flag. That means हमारा जो राष्ट्रीय ध्वज है वो कब और कौन फहराता है? Yes, principal sir फहराते हैं in our school on Republic Day and Independence Day. Write down the spelling correctly. Independence. Just write it small so that it fits in the empty space. And Republic. Write down the spelling of P-U-B, pub, L-I-C, lick. Republic. Split it so that you will memorize the spelling. So the sentence is on Independence and Republic Day, the principal hoists the national flag. So these are our fill in the blanks. Let's continue with the next question. This question is a bit different. We are solving it for the first time. Choose the correct answer. Children, here they have given us a sentence and we have to tick the correct option and complete the sentence. So the sentence is, in school we learn to. So they have given 4 options. तो हमें ये पता लगाना है इसमें से कि which one is the correct correct option to complete the statement. First is read and write, do sums, paint and draw, or do all of these. So children, here what we have to find out is कि क्या हम स्कूल रीड एंड राइट करने जाते हैं, सम सॉल्व करने जाते हैं सिर्फ, या ये सभी चीजें करने जाते हैं? यस, वी learn everything, all of above things. So let us mark option D, which is the correct one. Now, second, we respect our first principal, teachers, both of these or none of these. So children, what should be the correct option? क्या आप सिर्फ प्रिंसिपल सर को रिस्पेक्ट करते हो और टीचर्स को नहीं करते हो, ऐसा होता है? या फिर आप सिर्फ टीचर्स को रिस्पेक्ट करते हो और प्रिंसिपल को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते हो, ऐसे होता है? नो, यू रिस्पेक्ट बोथ ऑफ देम. सो both the options are correct, which is mentioned here. C, both of these. Now let's read the third statement. Some people who help us in school are. Who are the people who help us in our school? Teachers, librarian, gardener, or all of these? हाँ, yes. Who, as I have explained कि स्कूल एक इंसान के बदौलत नहीं चलता है. There are many people who contribute to run or function the school. So who are they? Teachers, librarian, gardener. So all of these help us to run the school. So all of these. D option is the correct one. So now let's turn to the next option. Next question. On Independence Day we sing. Yes, you all know. What do we sing on Independence Day? Yes, national anthem. Not the school anthem, not the nursery rhymes, and not the your favorite song. हम क्या गाते हैं? National anthem गाते हैं. So tick the option A. So now let's turn to page number 28. So our next question is, on Teachers Day, we give flowers and cards to. Teachers Day को हम teachers को respect pay करते हैं. So what we give gifts or sometimes flowers, chocolates. So that is how we show that you are special for us. So whom should we give? Since it is a Teachers Day, so we give it to teachers. So not to our friends, not our parents, and to our teachers. So it is written here option C. So we have to find out the correct option and tick it. Then our sibling मतलब भाई या बहन को देते हैं क्या? No, we don't give it on Teachers Day. So that was the objective question here. Now let's turn to the next question. C. Write T for true and F for false. First true or false we have is, we go to school only to play. Is that true, children? Is that the correct statement? No. We don't just go to play. We learn. We uh, get to know about the world, and we also play. We do so many art and craft things. We learn dance, music, lot many things. So the answer statement is incorrect. So when it is incorrect, we mark it as false. That means F. Now, second question. The principal takes care of the whole school. Yes, the sentence is correct. The principal takes care of the whole school. So let us write true. Correct. T for true. Then next. Many people help us in school. Is that the correct sentence, children? Yes. There are many people who help us in school, like the Mossies, then the librarian, then the clerk that sits in the office. So many people help. So let us write here true, T. Now, Independence Day is celebrated on 5th September. Is that the true sentence, children? When is Independence Day celebrated? Is it celebrated on 5th September? No, it's celebrated on 15th of August. So the sentence is incorrect. When the sentence is incorrect, तो हम उसको false कहते हैं. That means F. So let us mark it as F. Then fifth, Children's Day marks the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes, the sentence is correct. Children's Day कब मनाया जाता है? That is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. As we have studied that चाचा नेहरू जी को बच्चे बहुत पसंद थे. So since that day, the day is celebrated as Children's Day. So let's mark it as T, means true. So that were your objective questions. We shall discuss the question answers now. So let us see what are the question answers that we have to learn. First question, why do we go to the school? The answer should be, we go to school to study. Second question, what do we learn in school? Children, we just don't go to study. When we go to school, we learn to paint, read, and write. We learn to solve sums and also get to know about the world around. And also, our teachers teach us good values. So, this is the expected answer. We learn to paint, read, and write, solve sums, learn about and become good children. Last question, question 3. What is the name of your class teacher? Children, remember who is your class teacher? Yes, Vaishali Tare ma'am is your class teacher. So, we need to write. My class teacher's name is Mrs. Vaishali Tare. So, children, that were your question answers that you are supposed to write in your classwork notebook. You all complete the questions in your notebook. I will share them along with the video. You all take care and stay safe. Bye.